I am going to show you today how to use Photoshop for your iPad to make a pixel stretch image. So first off, open up the image that you would like to stretch. This is a image that comes with Photoshop tutorials. So it is not mine, but I dig it, and I want to show you how you can make something really creative. So here's what I want you to try. First off, if you have a background layer, one of the things you can do to unlock or release that background layer is to name it. You can do that by going to the second button under the question mark, which looks like a stack of papers with lines, and double tap on the background and then rename it. This will unlock the layer and allow you to manipulate it. This is a common thing amongst Photoshop users to unlock or release the ability to transform a layer, which is what we're going to do. You can close up those layers again if you like. If you ever want them back, the top button will bring back the small layers. So here are my layers. What I'm going to do next is choose the lasso tool. But this time I'm going to hold down on the lasso tool and I'm just tapping and holding. And then I'm going to click on the square that's empty that has a dashed line. This is my rectangular marquee tool. So I am going to make sure I'm on the correct layer. So I'm on the background. Then I'm going to make a very, 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 very thin rectangle. If you make it thick, this doesn't work as well. So try that out, make your selection, and then the button right above the rectangular marquee, it looks like kind of a skewed square with dots on the corners. That's your transform tool. What it's going to allow you to do is to stretch this piece, but you're only going to stretch it from the middle, and it should be that you're pulling it in a perpendicular direction to your original line. So in this case, the middle dot, I am going to pull up. And that's because if I pulled it directionally to the left or to the right, this wouldn't work. So don't move this around the page. What I want you to consider doing maybe next is choosing one of these other options for skewing or transforming. And you may want to tilt it to the left or to the right, or you may want to actually try making it into something else, like a triangle. Once you are ready and you've transformed it to your liking, press done. You can tap once to click away from it. If you don't like the result, you can always use your fingers, your two fingers, and double tap on the screen and it will reverse your actions. So if I double tap, there it goes. If I triple tap, so 3 fingers, it comes back. All right, so let's say that I love this. That's it. I'm done. I'm ready to go. I press the share button, publish and export, choose JPEG, export, and then I'm going to save my image to my photos. That's it. And then it's ready to upload to me. I hope that this helps, and I hope that you can have a lot of fun with this and get creative. Thanks so much.